Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to use Stripe to collect online payments. Stripe is a powerful payment processing platform that enables businesses to accept payments securely and seamlessly. With its user-friendly interface, robust features, and extensive documentation, Stripe is an excellent choice for beginners and experienced users alike. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the process of setting up Stripe, creating a product, and accepting payment with ease. But before we do that, let's get started with setting up an account. Navigate to any browser on your PC or mobile phone and head over to stripe.com. Now, click on the Start Now button at the top left corner. After navigating to stripe.com, you'll have to click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Now, on this page, click on Create Account button at the bottom of this pop-up. This is going to open another page where you'll have to enter your email, enter your full name, choose your country in this field, and create a strong password for your account. When you're done, click on the Create Account button. After that, you'll have to verify your account. So go ahead, head over to your inbox, then click on the verification link. When you're done, you will be taken to another page where you'll need to fill your business profile to start accepting payments. So click on Activate Payments at that page. Then you will need to select your business location, type of business from the drop-down menu and click Continue. Now click on Create Account. And on this page, click on Open Gmail, head over to your inbox, click on the Verify and select the Stripe's email, click on Verify Email. Now this is then going to take you to your dashboard. And here you can choose how to start collecting payments. We have quite a few options here, from sharing a link to a checkout page to charging customers in person. But today we are going to look at sharing a link to a checkout page. So let's create a payment link. So click on the payments option under products and click on payment links. Now click on the new option at the top right to create a payment link. So we have this page where we have to first of all select the type of your product. So I'm going to select product or subscription. You can also choose customers choose what to pay, but we are going to go with products or subscription. Now you'll have to add your product. So click on this field and choose add new product. Now in these fields, enter the name of your product, enter the description of your product, and click on the image option to upload an image of your invoice or for your product. Now we'll have to choose whether this is a recurring payment or one-off payment. So we'll select recurring and we'll enter the amount that we are going to charge. Now you can choose whether you want to bill daily, weekly, monthly, or every 3 month, 6 month, yearly, or you can click on custom and choose to bill any period with this settings. Now you can click on more pricing options and add a price description. You can also add unit quantity, but we are going to go back and click on add product here. So we have set the price of our product and also changed the currency. And you can also choose to edit the currency by clicking here, searching for your currency. Also in the advanced section, you can allow promo codes, allow business customers to provide tax IDs and save payment details for future use. Finally, at the bottom, you can choose what call to action you want to display on the button. You can choose between pay, book, or donate. If you want to go back to the top, you can see here you've got after payment option, and that's going to show you your confirmation page, and you can choose whether or not to show a confirmation page. You can show this standard confirmation page, or you can send your customers to a web address after they have completed their purchase. You can also choose to create an invoice PDF as well. You can also choose whether you want to collect customers' addresses. Now you can choose whether you require customers to provide a phone number, include a free trial, or limit the number of payments for customers. Now in the advanced options, you have this option, click on it. Now you can add a custom field on your payment page using this text. So for example, if I want to add a text, I'll select text and I will add a label name. You can also set limits at it, mark it as optional, or click on add another field to add more. You can also allow promo code by clicking here and allow business customers to provide tax IDs. In the preview tab, you also have an option up here to see what your checkout page looks like on mobile. Click on the mobile icon and this is how our checkout page will look on mobile devices. When you're happy with everything, in the top right hand corner, click on Create Link. This is now going to take you to your payment link page. So you can see up here you've got your payment link. Let's copy that link and open a new tab, paste that link, hit enter, and you can see how your page is going to look like on a payment page. You can also get a QR code by clicking on this QR code button so that customers can scan and play. You can click on copy to clipboard and download this image and share it to anyone you want. You also have a buy button, so click on buy button. Now you've got your code here that you can integrate into your website. You can choose whether to have that display as a card or a button in this code and click on save changes and copy code. You can see what they look like in the preview tab on the right. And you've got a few options that you can customize, like the button text. You can show supported payment methods, and you've also got a few styling options by enabling this, and choose the font, button color and border style for your buy button. So you can change background, button color and font and the border style so that it matches with your website. When you're happy, click save changes and copy code. Then you can head over to your website and integrate that code or card into your website to start collecting payments from your customers. And there you have it. We have reached the end of our Stripe tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and gained a clear understanding of how to use Stripe to collect payments online. Don't forget to like, and thanks for watching.